mango
Sticky
sticky
rice.
rice nuôi về
ล่องลอยเล่นน้ำคลองลอยลงทานแสนชื่นบานหอมกลิ่นดอกมันปลาแกลเล่นแกลนเสียงแค้นดังแววมาตรงตรงติตะเสียงพินนานาดังมาแต่ฝากตรงเด้อกันแจ้งแสงดาว
So you start with the cucumber salad.
yeah
Yeah? How you make it?
peel and then make a mash chop
Yes.
and then put with the tomato
Oh,
chili onion lemon
oh okay. And sauce?
and fish sauce
Fish sauce?
sugar cane and then peanut okay not too spicy half this one
Oh,
Chiang Rai noodle
yellow noodle?
yeah yellow noodle
You buy from the market this morning?
Yeah.
Oh.
and the first one
But why there is rats if there is cats? The cat they don't eat?
no the cat is not working like the cat is not working like who but my cat have plenty food
Ah,
I think he
domestic cat. He doesn't eat the rat.
yeah I'm stingy I take the rubber we have many kind of the noodle but this time I make Chiang Rai noodle
Chiang Rai noodle.
yeah because easy and cheap cheap and this you can eat a lot you can have a lot
How much is this?
10 baht
Oh, 10 baht. Yes,
10
very
baht
cheap.
for, yeah 10 baht for one okay
Other type of noodle.
yeah
This is for the topping?
the fry yeah the topping no not beautiful it is more beautiful look a lot
Ooh.
a lot of sugar hey mango
Sticky
sticky
rice.
rice nuôi vềข้าวเหนียว
Ah, khao niao. Same in Lao, no?
yeah same because the ข้าวเหนียว from Lao
Ah, it's
Lao
from Lao.
Lao and Thai same นะ
Khao niao.
I make easy นะ I make easy
You buy sticky rice?
yeah I buy sticky rice better because take a lot of time if you do by yourself I cannot because of take time
Too much work.
another side must to take care of the noodle look at this see another thing is filling can you take out for my husband please
Yes, of
but
course.
tell him not to wait this cool
Okay.
then can put the
Mango sticky rice, no style.
no style
Yes.
Boop. Boop. Another thing I will make a cucumber salad.
Cucumber salad now?
Yeah, cucumber salad. Just do quick something.
You want me to help?
if you can.
Yes.
Okay, cucumber salad Nui style. Okay, then you make this and then make this. And then
I'm not sure I
more.
can do that, no.
Chop, 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 chop.
Wow.
Boop. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop.
This is the
Chop,
Thai
chop,
style.
Chop, chop, Thai style.
Wow.
Bap, bap. Okay, and this
Okay.
one you do.
Okay. I cut.
Okay, then I need like a onion.
You want me to cut onion?
Yeah, onion.
Okay, but what do you do now?
I do with the soup.
Okay.
The soup, but this I already buy.
You buy?
Buy.
This is the cow soy soup?
Yes.
What's inside?
Inside is like the red paste. The red paste with the soup. The red paste with the water.
Okay.
Okay, and then I will make a food coconut
Okay.
mix together.
Okay.
Because like this, if I do, it's not enough time.
Yeah, of course. Too long.
Not enough time.
And it's red curry.
Yeah, red curry.
Okay. I cut.
Cut now this one. Oyster. Easy.
Yes.
Okay.
So this you put inside
Yeah,
soy.
put this inside and then maybe you help me to make this one
Tofu?
tofu. Okay, this Nui style. Maybe not. You could not see another because Nui style. Make this side. Boop 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 boop. Okay. Boop 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 boop. Okay, vegetarian could be finished now. Okay.
This for vegetarian.
Vegetarian. Okay, you cut for me.
Yes.
Red curry, where is my pet? Red curry. Okay. If I don't have the paste one, I will put the chicken.
Okay.
Nui style.
Yes.
Nui style. Normally you must to have is like a real chicken, but I make like a mint chicken. Where the paste? The one. Yellow curry, oyster and carrot, my red pepper.
Soy sauce?
Soy sauce. Done. With not make with the mint, but I make with the mint because I think easy for the people.
Better?
Eat, yeah, because you know a lot of people if have chicken 1 kilo, but the mint you can do only half kilo. Yeah, like this side, this side. Okay, the soy sauce, a little bit sugar.
Okay.
Thailand always sugar. Sugar is good taste. Little.
This little.
Yeah, little. This is very.
It takes a whole hand.
Yeah. Yeah, this is little, and then I put more water. Water in. One. Where my chili? Yeah. With this one.
Fish sauce?
Fish sauce. Nui style. And I do with the tamarind sauce. Tamarind sauce. And then I do with this one. Ajinomoto important.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, important.
Glutamate.
Yeah, important for papaya salad. Okay. Bin. And both. Oh, in. In. Ini mix. Cucumber salad like home style. And นิดหน่อย spicy. La. Okay. Voila. New style. And wood. Hopla. Finish.
You're a chef.
Thank you. Pa. Now we can eat.
ถึงกับเลอครวนลักยิ้มพริมพราวยาวยวนอยากชื่นเชยชวนนัวน้อย